Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. It's the 29th of May. This is our weekly recap. I hope you all had a fabulous week. It was a short week, but a very, very good week, and it's been a very good month. Um, if you want to join me, come to smartoptiontrading.com, click on live trading alerts. We'd love to have you in our trading room where we get you set up every morning by going through what's in play, what's not, and making a battle plan every day to what to go into, what to trade. So let's talk about this week. And the market here is resilient and strong. We're at a new all-time high in the SPY. This market doesn't care. Market doesn't care about inflation, doesn't care about Iran, doesn't care about pretty much anything right now. And that's okay. We trade accordingly. We trade what's in front of us. Price action is king, and price action says we continue to go higher. Volume today, nothing special. We've had back and forth all day long on there's a deal in place, there's not, oh, there is, there's not. Trump saying I haven't decided yet. Market doesn't care. Just doesn't. And that's all that matters. And I think that's what you all have to get into your head. If you listen to the media, you're going to get yourself in a tizzy. Crude, overall week under 90. That's good. Like to see bonds strengthen, not doing it so far. The Qs, up, all-time highs as well, a little bit off of it. So what's going on? So we saw the SMH has put a new all-time high in earlier this week, and now they're taking a little bit of a break. Micron, SanDisk, right? Western Digital, these names are all just off their all-time highs. They haven't gone very far. AMD coming down a little bit, right? We're seeing that. ARM hit an all-time high, another one today. RVL, Qualcomm, right? These guys are all strong. Intel, head fake today, but overall still holding just fine. NVIDIA looks poised here. We'll see. It's trying to break above the 8-day. This looks poised, and this would be one that they can run. And again, they like this intra sector rotation. So we'll see. What else is going on? The financials. Nah, bounced today, but overall dead. Energy, nothing there. XBI overall not doing much, and it's up more because of Lilly having a big move yesterday to a new all-time high. Retail, Costco, they always sell the report. I don't read anything into this, but they don't want that. They don't want Walmart here. Target is holding in better. Home Depot, Lowe, right? Really just don't want retail right now. China names? Nope. Baba, Baidu, right? PDD. None of these look particularly great. So what we did see this week is some rotation. So we saw the last 2 days, Hood took off. What a huge 2-day move on Hood. Traded that one, made some nice money on it. Hood looks great here. Coin waking up a bit, although not as much. We'll keep an eye on Bitcoin to see if there's anything there, but Bitcoin overall still looks weak. You talk about your Mag 7, Amazon. Yep, couldn't break out, tried, failed, come back down, but it hasn't gone very far. Meta took a loss on that, tried to trade that this week, traded it twice, made money once, second time, not so much. Can't break to the upside, even though it got in the gap. Apple's holding very strong, new all-time high today. Google is just kind of sitting here like, I don't know what I want to do, but I'm quiet. Tesla, overall, just kind of chilling out, not much going on. Nvidia, talked about Netflix. How about Netflix? Not much going on. The strength in this market was in the IGV. We've seen this rotation into the software names, which I love, right? You know, nice big 2-day move on that one. We saw Oracle push nicely here. Oracle pushed very nicely, well above the 200-day for the first time in many months. Palantir also going for the 200-day. Microsoft also pushing up. Nice move there, right? You get the idea here. ServiceNow had some nice moves here. Path, they didn't like the earnings, but they bought it back. That's always good. Salesforce, another one, a nice move up here. Overall, maybe this sector is waking up, and that is great to see. Dell had a report that was just, I mean, I was laughing all morning when I looked at this move on them because I'm like, this is just a stupid move for a company like this, but it is what it is. And it just tells you that, this market is very, very focused on these type of names. And you have Dell an all-time high, and you saw SMCI get a pop off of that, HPQ, right? They were better trades. I don't know what happened with SoFi this morning. We had this big pop up pre-market, and I couldn't find any news that really told me that it should move, and it came right back in. So we'll see. So we have a regular week here this week. We go into next week, the first week in June, the last trading month of the quarter, first half of the year. I made you charts on Sunday. I may just do a video. We'll see how I feel. I wish you guys well. Catch you on Monday morning. Hope you all join us in the room. Good night, everybody.